But Asian stocks up on Friday. We're seeing that market confidence returning on the back of those improved U.S. retail sales numbers and unemployment claims. While the best performers today, maybe perhaps not a surprise, are the consumer discretionary stocks. With all those sliding oil prices, that's translated to more money for people to spend, and that's been going into the retail sector and the F&B sector. So those have been some of the stocks been pushing up those gains today. The top performers in terms of indexes, one of them has been the Nikkei, is up 1% in midday trade. Of course, we're heading into the snap elections on Sunday for Japan. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is seeking a strong mandate for his policies, which involves significant depreciation of the yen. He's expecting or hoping for a strong win. To put into context, he currently, along with his coalition partner, has 326 seats out of 475 seats. So we'll need at least 270 seats for a stable majority. So if that happens, or if that comes in above that benchmark, it could spark another rally in the dollar-yen. We saw a bit of a pullback in the dollar-yen this morning, with Japan industrial production numbers improving to 0.4% from 0.2%. But long-term buyers definitely on the upside. There might be a risk factor from the elections if there's low voter turnout. That might suggest low public backing for its policies, which might send a bit of jitters into the markets and for investors to get out of the trade. So that might be something to watch out for. We have some numbers from New Zealand as well. Manufacturing PMI came in slightly weaker. It came in at 55.2 from the previous reading of 59.3. So a bit of a knee-jerk reaction there, with the Kiwi dollar going down a bit, but it's regained some ground in the afternoon after the consumer confidence numbers came out slightly better than expected. And of course, Central Bank of New Zealand has been hinting of rate hikes coming earlier than expected next year. So overall, we should see the Kiwi dollar drifting higher. So China data as well coming in the afternoon. Retail sales and industrial production numbers flat. Industrial production numbers came in at 8.3%. Retail sales grew 12%. No immediate reaction from the Aussie dollar. But to put this into context, the PMI numbers and trade numbers in recent weeks have been a bit soft. So these flat numbers offer some indicators of the economy stabilizing. So that could offer some short-term support for commodities like oil and industrial metals.